Hey, what's up guys, SPC Des Moines here, and today, the National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory for my county as well. Well, I'll just let you hear it. Well, my other weather radio is already on as well. I was just, turning on my control, and then, out of nowhere, I just turned it on my other radio, and, it said a wind advisory is in effect. I go scrolling through the counties, and then, but no EAS, so that's kind of sad. So I'll just let it here.
And with highs in the 30s and lows in the teens and 20s. A few areas of light drizzle or light freezing drizzle may be possible across northern Iowa and points north and east early on Thursday. This weekend, a storm system will move into the mid-Mississippi River Valley, spreading rain and snow into Iowa. The storm will arrive Saturday and continue into Sunday. This system has the potential to bring moderate snowfall to the state and surrounding areas south and east of Iowa. Colder conditions will follow the storm with highs in the teens to 20s Monday and to Tuesday. Lows will be quite cold with single digits to near zero expected Monday and Tuesday mornings.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Des Moines and surrounding locations. Rest of today, mostly sunny, breezy, high 46 to 56. Southeast wind 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy, windy, patchy drizzle after midnight, low in the lower 30s. South wind 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour, increasing to northwest 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts to around 40 miles an hour after midnight. Thursday, cloudy early in the morning then clearing. Windy, colder, high in the upper 30s. Northwest wind 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts to around 45 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear, colder, low in the lower 20s. North wind 5 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour, decreasing to 20 miles an hour after midnight. Friday, sunny, high in the mid-30s. Northeast wind near 10 miles an hour, shifting to the south in the afternoon. Friday night, partly cloudy, low in the mid-20s. Saturday, mostly cloudy, a 40% chance of light rain and light snow in the afternoon. High around 40. Saturday night, snow likely, low in the lower 20s. Chance of snow 70%. Sunday, cloudy with a 50% chance of snow. Breezy, colder, high in the upper 20s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy, breezy, colder, low 5 to 10 above. Monday, mostly sunny, colder, high 15 to 20. Monday night, mostly cloudy, low 0 to 5 above. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of snow, high in the lower 20s. Again, the forecast for Des Moines and surrounding locations for rest of today, mostly sunny, breezy, high 46 to 56. Southeast wind 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. These are the 3 p.m. conditions for the Des Moines area. At the Des Moines airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 50 degrees Fahrenheit, or 10 degrees Celsius, the dew point 36, and the relative humidity 58%. The wind was south at 20 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.72 inches and falling. Looking around the area, it was 48 at Perry. At Ankeny, it was sunny, with a temperature of 48. At Ames, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 45. At Marshalltown, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 40. Here are some conditions elsewhere in Iowa. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 36 at the Quad Cities and 50 at Sioux City. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 45 at Ottumwa, 56 at Lamoni, and 55 at Omaha Council Bluffs. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 36 at Spencer, 34 at Mason City, and 37 at Waterloo. Now for a few weather conditions around the region. At Kansas City, it was cloudy. The temperature was 72 degrees, winds were gusting to 29. At Grand Island, it was sunny. The temperature was 67 degrees. At Sioux Falls, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 45 degrees. At Minneapolis-St. Paul, it was cloudy. The temperature was 30 degrees. The wind chill was 20. Once again at 3 p.m. in Des Moines, it was cloudy. The temperature was 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. This is a wind advisory for the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Boone, Gellis, Greene, and Guthrie. Wind advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Thursday. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Thursday. Timing from midnight through 9 a.m. Thursday. Winds, northwest winds of 25 to 30 miles per hour, with gusts of near 45 miles per hour. The following impacts are expected. Loose objects will be blown around. Driving high-profile vehicles will be difficult. A wind advisory means that winds of 35 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. This is a wind advisory for the following counties in Iowa: Clark, Jasper, Madison, Marion, Polk, Story, and Warren. Wind advisory in effect from 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. Thursday. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. Thursday. Timing from 4 a.m. through 9 a.m. Thursday. Winds, northwest winds of 25 to 30 miles per hour, with gusts of 40 to 45 miles per hour. The following impacts are expected. Loose objects will be blown around. Driving high-profile vehicles will be difficult. A wind advisory means that winds of 35 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.
Now here's the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central Iowa. For today and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Strong northwest winds are expected late Wednesday night into Thursday. Wind gusts of up to 45 miles per hour appear possible during this time. Moderate snowfall accumulations are becoming more likely from late Saturday afternoon into Sunday morning across central Iowa, especially south of the Highway 20 corridor. Spotter information statement: spotter activation will not be needed.
Okay, so that is it for today, guys. Like and subscribe if you like what you see, and talk to you guys later.